lands unknown where shadows creep. We venture forth, no time to sleep. Where sword is bare, our fate we seek. Through ancient woods and mountain sea. Heroes rise under starry skies, courage burning in their eyes. Legends told and secrets told in this world of myths and gold. Through fire and storm we journey on, to distant realms where dreams are drawn. The path is long, the night is cold, but in our hearts a fire we hold. Heroes rise under starry skies, with courage burning in their eyes. Legends told and secrets told in this world of myths and gold. Through fire and storm we journey on, to distant realms where dreams are drawn. The path is long, the night is cold, but in our hearts a fire we hold. Bound by honor, strength and grace, we stand as one in this faithful place. No turning back, the die is cold, but in our we'll overcome the past. Heroes rise under starry skies, with courage burning in their eyes. Legends told and secrets told in this world of myths and gold. Now breaks through the shadows, fade our legacy in light displayed with every step. Our stories told in the pages of this world of old.